Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you two different types of pool chemicals, and I'm going to be doing videos like this in the future. And so in this video I'm going to be talking about pool salt and chlorine tablets, and this is by far the best price that I can find as of right now, February 2020. I will update the videos or make new videos when I find better prices. If you know better prices than what I'm fixing to show you, please post it in the comment section, and on my next video I will add that information in. But right now it's going to be pool salt and chlorine tablets. Okay, and so as of right now, pool salt, and I've checked at the local pool supply stores, uh, the pool salt is actually anywhere from $10 to $13 a bag. Okay, here you have 40 pounds, $5.98, and this is at Sam's Club. So this is only going to work for you if you have a Sam's Club. If you do not, you could try to look at Costco and places like that. But as you can see, $5.98 for a bag of salt. And then if you do not have a salt pool, chlorine tablets are $79.98 for 40 pounds. That's a very, very good deal. Okay, so if you're buying tablets or salt at your local pool store, you are paying too much. And let me bring up my phone here and I will show you, or I will actually tell you exactly what the prices are that I got here. So anywhere from $10 to $13 a bag of salt, and that's anywhere from Home Depot to the local pool store. Um, that's the going rate. And so with chlorine tablets, they are around $92 to $95 for 40 pounds. So here is $79.98. It's the best price that I can find online, and I believe that this deal will not stay around long. So if you do not have chlorine tabs, or if you have a salt pool, if you do not have pool salt, I would definitely check these to check to see if they have any at your local Sam's Club. So if you like videos like this and you have not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And I have a lot of videos that will help you out with your pool, residential pool owners, or even pool professionals may learn a few things here and there. And I will see you in my next videos. Thank you.